beautiful nieces in the studio. They're here on vacation, so I said, don't leave, don't leave. I have to use you as models because they're just too beautiful not to.
I'm
Say
back
hi.
Again.
That's right. What's your name?
Madison.
Madison. This is my oldest niece. So I'm so excited because she's so easy. She tells me I can practice, I can paint on her, I can do whatever, which is so incredibly awesome. So I'm going to show you guys a new dragon mask for girls that I came up with. I mean, obviously the colors can be changed to make it anybody. It's unisex, to tell you the truth. But I find that whenever I'm painting boy dragons or little boys as dragons, then their sisters come along or they want their moms to have dragons. So I try to just make it a little bit more feminine. So that's what this design is going to be. I hope you enjoy it. As always, thank you for joining me. If you want to know more, learn more, visit my channel on Faba TV. Check me out on social media because I love hearing from you guys. And thank you as always for tuning in. Let's get started. Okay guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry about the audio and a portion of it. Thank you, Madison, for being such a great trooper. Give me 5. All right, so how do you feel? The glitter doesn't bother you or anything, right? Feels comfortable over her eyes. For those of you that are competition cheerleaders or you want long-lasting glitter over your eyes that's comfortable, that won't smudge, you can put on top of your eyeshadow. This glitter cream, it stays all day. It's awesome.
Along with dancers, because some of our costumes, I know they're itchy, but your eyes won't be.
Exactly. There you go. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. As always, I have so much more on the way. I hope you enjoy this, Madison, and have a great day.